Alright, Gilbert and I are going to install a solar panel on the travel trailer.
Yeah.
Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
So here is the solar panel that we just got today. Special delivery. It's massive. So Gil, I think we should open it.
Me and Daddy.
Okay. So what do we got here, Gil?
We got these.
We got these, right? We've got some connectors here. Alright, so we're going to head up on the roof of the travel trailer. Gilbert's going to stay here, do some playing, right Gil? I'm going to head up safely. Gil's not going to join me, and we're going to go through the fridge vent, which goes right down to the battery bay. Alright, so off we go. Yeah, you stay down here, Gilbert. Here's the fridge vent here.
Okay, so there's RV sealant in all of the screw holes. You're going to want to take a flat screwdriver, pry it out, and then you'll have access to the screws to screw them out.
So we're going to want to just clean that off. You can see how messy it is all around here. So I'll probably just get a little shop vac and clean it up. Then we're going to go straight down through there.
You're going to want to just clean up all the debris there, and then I took a leaf blower and we just blew it all off. After that I took some organic cleaning material. You want to be careful with what will work on your rubber roof there. I just scrubbing off all the dirt and some mold there. And I'm taking just a car scrubbing wand, remove any debris there and scrubbing it all off. Blowing it again just to dry it. And I'm going to take some peel and stick butyl tape and just put it all around the fridge roof vent here, so prevent any leaks in the future.
Okay, we're back on the ground. I'm just connecting the wires here. They've made it really easy. So that's the one end, and they basically just reversed either side. So that's nice and connected. Now we're going to put the brackets in each one. Here. There's a hole there that's pre-drilled. That's going to go in there.
So one thing you really want to be conscious of doing is unwinding this wire properly. It's best to roll it out. You can see how we're rolling it here. And that just gets all the memory out of the wire. If you just try to use it right away, it'll act as a spring. And then you just want to grab them and kind of just pull your hands all the way down it, get out all that memory from the wire. After that, what we're going to do is we're just going to take some electrical tape and we're going to tape them all together. So when we fish them down, I won't be fighting two wires, and they'll go down nice and clean together.
We're going in right here. Let's start with Ozzy. Down there, there's Oswald.
Here I'm just moving the solar panel fairly close to the RV fridge vent, and then I'm going to feed down that excess wire and tape down the positive and negative cables with some Eternabond tape. That'll stop it from going anywhere. We'll put the cover back on the fridge vent.
Ready? Right here. Come on. Thank you.
I'm measuring off the side of the RV here to make sure the solar panel is fully aligned. Then I'll be lifting the panel up, putting a little sealant underneath the L bracket and screwing right through into the 3/8 ply. I'll be adding a little more sealant to the RV fridge vent. The sealant is self-leveling, so you don't need to touch it. A little more butyl tape on those wires.
The wires back there, we're going to come in right beside those pipes there. Now, this. Okay. And Dad's gonna pull on it inside, and you're just gonna kind of feed it, okay? Well, I can see it back there. Yeah, I gotta reach in real deep. All the spiders. Okay, I'm pulling on it. Can you push it down? Perfect. Yeah, I think we'll just put a zap shut right on that. Okay, let me get it. Okay, there. Something like that there. Okay. Not ideal. Okay. So we've got our wires now connected.
You ever got that?
Oh yeah. See this right here? That's from me cutting a wire and it blew up because I didn't double check that it was off. Not ideal. So we've got the RV cable coming in and going through right there. And we've got another connection coming to the house power. This guy here is coming in, pulled it right there to the neutral, and then I've pulled it here, the red, to the up, and we'll screw that back in, and power's all off. Just clean it up. Done. Come over here. So we can see here our voltage there. I'll press this button. That's the power coming in. Nothing because it's pitch black out. And yeah. So we're up and running.
Thanks so much for watching. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find this fantastic solar panel package.